Hi, in this video, we're going to walk through the steps to complete a fusion splice on an MPO splice-on connector. For this demonstration, we'll be using the Q102-M12, Sumitomo Electric's latest ribbon fiber fusion splicer. Let's get started. Use Sumitomo Electric's supplied tools for preparation: stripper, lint-free cloths, glass cleaning fluid, and cleaver. Be sure to perform the pre-fusion splice steps. Clean Splicer, set splice and heat programs. To change the heater program, locate and select the correct protective sleeve setting. Perform an arc test. Now you're ready to begin. Place all rear connector components and a protective sleeve on the left side fiber. Ribbon fiber preparation includes these steps: stripping the ribbon, cleaning the stripped fibers, and then cleaving the fibers. Prepared fiber should be immediately placed into the fusion splicer to keep the fiber from collecting dust or incurring damage. Now let's prepare the ferrule holder for the right side. Carefully remove the ferrule from its protective packaging. Open a holder. Immediately place the ferrule into the ferrule holder. Place the ferrule holder with the ferrule into the splicer. Close the hood. Now, you're ready to splice. To perform the splice, engage the set icon on the touchscreen monitor. Fibers will fuse. Once complete, gently remove the fibers from the fiber holder. Be careful with your new splice, you don't want to break it. Slide the protection sleeve over the fusion splice. Use gravity and vibration to center the sleeve over the splice. Place in the heater oven. Close the heater oven and press the heater button to start the heating process. You'll need to let the sleeve cool down for a little bit before continuing. Now you're ready to assemble the connector. Bring rear connector components to the sleeve and lightly seat sleeve. Remove the tether. Mate front connector components to rear components. If you have any additional questions, go to SumitomoElectricLightwave.com.